everyone, my name is Tram. I'm in class D2. Today I will be interviewing my father.
Hello.
I want to ask some the question about the long time ago.
Yes.
The first is communication.
Okay.
How did you communication with people a long time ago before you had a cell phone?
Okay. In the past, I communication with people in many ways. Example, direct by voice, if a distant by letter.
How long would it take to send the letter?
Depending on the distance or location of the recipient. If the location is close, it takes 1 or 2 days within the province or city. If it's far, it takes 5 or 6 days from the one country to other country.
How would the letter go there?
The sender puts the letter in an envelope and write the recipient address on the envelope and then send it to the post office box. The letter will be transferred by courier or check to the recipient.
How much will it cost you to send a letter?
I don't remember exactly. It depends on the volume of the letter. Maybe about 400 Vietnam đồng a letter.
Do you miss writing letter? Please explain your
Answer.
answer.
First is the greeting and then the content asking about friends' life and studies. Finally, best wish and say goodbyes.
How did you go to school when you were young?
Before entering high school, I walked to school. From high school onward, I went by bicycle.
Do you often travel? What means do you use the
Measure?
yes the
Yes, I do. I usually travel by car, or train, or plane.
How long do you get there?
I often travel to nearby province, example Quảng Ninh, Hải Phòng. It took me half a day to move.
Did you enjoy traveling by airplane?
Yes, I did.
Did you ever travel by train? If yes, where did you go?
Yes, I did. I often went to the southern province, example Bình Định, Quảng Bình. Sometimes I go to Phú Yên.
How did you get the news when you were younger? Can you remember?
I get news by reading or listening. There are many types of newspaper, such as paper newspaper, online electric newspaper, or listening to the radio, or watching news on TV.
Did you ever listen to the radio for the news? If yes, what do you remember hearing?
Yes, I did. I hear news about society and the markets.
What was the most common was people got the news when you were younger?
People often got news by watching TV, reading news on internet.
Do you think it is more
Easier?
easier? Do you think new easier to get the news? Please, can you explain your answer?
Yes, I do. Receiving news through TV news programs, which help me update latest information faster.
Did you read the newspaper to get the news? If yes, what do you remember? If not, do you remember someone wrote it?
Yes, it is. I often watch news on social network to know about the world, politicity, society, education, and health.